What if I told you the biggest threat to your health isn't fast food, pollution, or even disease, but something happening inside your own mind and body every day? It's chronic stress, the silent killer behind anxiety, heart disease, poor sleep, and even weight gain. Our bodies are wired to handle short bursts of stress like outrunning a predator. But the constant, low-grade stress of modern life, that's what's really damaging. The worst part? Most people don't even realize they're suffering from it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reset your nervous system, reduce stress naturally, and take control of your health. We weren't designed to be cooped up inside all day, glued to our screens. You know that feeling of peace you get walking barefoot on the beach, feeling the sand between your toes? That's not just in your head. It's called grounding, and studies show it actually reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and lowers inflammation throughout your body. Even just 20 minutes in nature, walking in the park, sitting under a tree, can have a profound impact on your stress levels and mood. So make it a habit to get outside every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Kick off your shoes, feel the grass beneath your feet, and let nature work its magic. When was the last time you really paid attention to your breath? Most of us breathe too fast and shallow, especially when we're stressed. This keeps our bodies in a constant state of fight or flight, even when there's no real danger. But here's the good news. You can actually hack your nervous system with something as simple as your breath. One of the most effective techniques is the 4-7-8 breathing method. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. Repeat this cycle a few times, focusing on the feeling of your breath entering and leaving your body. Let's face it, our phones are addictive. Email, social media, news. It's a never-ending stream of information and stimulation. And while technology has its benefits, it's also a major contributor to stress and anxiety. This constant stimulation keeps your nervous system on high alert, making it harder to relax and unwind. Set tech-free zones in your day, especially an hour or two before bed. Put your phone on airplane mode, silence notifications, and resist the urge to check social media every 5 minutes. You might be surprised how much calmer and more focused you feel when you're not constantly plugged in. You already know exercise is good for your physical health, but did you know it's also a powerful stress reliever? When you move your body, your brain releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. And the best part? It doesn't have to be intense. Find something you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or simply taking a brisk walk in the park. The key is to choose an activity that makes you feel good, not like a chore. You'll be surprised how much lighter and more relaxed you feel both physically and mentally. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." What you put into your body directly affects how you feel, both physically and mentally. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, mood swings, and increased anxiety. On the other hand, a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can nourish your body and calm your mind. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean protein into your meals. Remember, a healthy gut means a calm mind, so start nourishing your body from the inside out, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your stress levels. Here's the truth. Stress is not just a mental issue, it's the root cause of many modern health problems. But here's the good news. You have the power to change it. It starts with small, simple steps. Step outside and feel the ground beneath your feet. Take a few deep, conscious breaths throughout your day. Move your body in ways that feel good. Eat real, nourishing food that fuels your body and mind. Disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with yourself. Your health is in your hands. The choice is simple. Stay stuck in the stress cycle, or start living the calm, healthy life your body was designed for. What will you choose? If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and start your stress-free journey today.